the Bible can be a thought-provoking and inspiring experience. Here are 5 tips for drawing a Thanksgiving scene from the Bible. Tip number 1, choose a relevant passage. There are many scenes in the Bible that can be used to depict Thanksgiving, such as the story of the harvest in Leviticus 23:39 through 40, or the story of the prodigal son in Luke 15:11 through 32, or even the story of Jesus' teachings on gratitude in Matthew 6:25 through 34. Choose a passage that resonates with you and your interpretation of Thanksgiving. Tip number 2, study the passage. Before you start drawing, take some time to study the passage and understand its meaning. Consider the context, the characters involved, and the themes being conveyed. This will help you develop a deeper understanding of the scene and the symbols that you want to use. Tip number 3, use symbols and metaphors. The Bible is full of symbols and metaphors that can be used to convey important ideas. For example, you can use a tree or a vine to represent the abundance of nature, or a feast or a table to represent the act of sharing and gratitude.
Hey guys, I know you're enjoying the lesson. Stop really quick, hit that subscribe button and the like button so we can continue to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ through the arts. Let's continue to spread the gospel through the arts through all of these videos. Share, subscribe, and like. All right, let's get back to the lesson.
Think about how you can use symbols and metaphors to convey the themes of the passage in a visually compelling way. Tip number 4, pay attention to composition. Good composition is key to creating a visually appealing drawing. Consider the rule of thirds, the use of negative space, and the placement of figures and objects in the scene. You can also use lines, shapes, and colors to create a sense of balance and harmony in the drawing. Tip number 5, be creative and have fun. Drawing from the Bible can be a fun and creative experience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and techniques, and don't worry too much about being perfect. The most important thing is to capture the essence of the passage and your interpretation of Thanksgiving. Alright guys, that kind of sums it up for this video. Those were your 5 Thanksgiving drawing tips and hacks that you can use this Thanksgiving when wanting to draw a beautiful picture even from the Bible. Again guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Tune in next Tuesday, 2 p.m. CST, where hopefully we'll be doing our sketch tutorials, because ultimately we know the overall vision for this channel is to draw the entire Bible from front to back, Genesis to Revelation, verse by verse, chapter by chapter. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and like this video, as well as share this video so we can continue to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ through the arts to each and every individual and family. And I did want to mention, don't forget to go over to heartforart.live to get more drawing references and tips, as well as different references that can be used as references from this specific video as well. We have where you can put your artwork on t-shirts, mugs, canvas prints, wood prints, and so much more. So please check that website out if you want to get your designs noticed, and if you want to put your designs on multiple various items and products. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Stay encouraged. Don't give up on God's calling for your life. Bye. God's calling for your life as a visual artist? Well, now you can. Zoe Hoffman's book entitled How to Get Answers Every Time You Pray for Visual Artists, which is inspired by Apostle Dr. Ludi L. Hoffman's book, How to Get Answers Every Time You Pray, The Power of Partnership, you will be guided through what needs to be done in order to properly stay in God's will for your life as an artist. Go online to www.abamcenter.com and order your copy today.